Wisconsin's statewide mask requirement will remain in effect after Governor Evers implemented a new public health emergency about an hour after Assembly Republicans voted to overturn the mask mandate.
We're going to keep putting people first. We're going to keep listening to the science. And we're going to keep working to save lives so that we can get through this pandemic together.
The mask mandate repeal had not even taken effect yet because it still needed to be signed, which wasn't going to happen until tomorrow. A Republican senator is already drafting a resolution to end Evers' latest declaration. Lawmakers did finally agree on a COVID relief package. The Senate expects to approve it tomorrow.
The measure includes another change limiting the governor's powers. Capitol Bureau Chief AJ Byport joins us live with the latest on a very eventful day at the Capitol. AJ?
Yes, in addition to this back and forth going on over whether there's a mask order in place right now in the state of Wisconsin, it's also been 295 days since the state legislature has passed any bills. Well, Assembly and Senate Republicans say they're now on the same page in agreement on a COVID relief bill that went out of the Assembly today into the Senate tomorrow. They're expecting to get it to the governor's desk this weekend. And there's now an amendment to that relief package that limits the governor's powers on emergency orders. It would limit him going forward to only issue emergencies during COVID for the purpose of getting federal relief money. Lawmakers are moving so quickly now because this emergency bill, this relief bill, includes provisions qualifying the state for federal unemployment money, and those provisions are set to expire on Sunday. Well, this bill includes items Governor Evers has said he doesn't like, including giving legislators more power over future federal relief. Republicans say it's their duty to check the governor's power.
The people do not have a voice right now. If they're upset with the governor's order, who do they call? The East Wing? They're not there. Nobody's there. They call the legislature? Well, if we don't have the power to act, what good is calling us?
On the other side, Democrats say the urgency on this bill should have come sooner.
Almost 6,000 Wisconsinites have died. We'll probably pass that number this weekend. Not a single piece of legislation on the governor's desk.
Evers has yet to say whether he will veto this bill should it pass as it is. As for masks, Republicans are asking Evers to pursue a limited mask order only for places like hospitals, schools, and government buildings. They want Evers to try passing that through the Rules Committee. The issue with that is a co-chair of that Rules Committee is Senator Steve Noss, who has said from the beginning and repeated today he is against any kind of mask requirements.